Hi my friend, this is an explanation video about frames assignment. So you have to create this figure using only shapes. Actually this is pretty straightforward. There are a lot of shapes and the difference is only in filling and in round corners. So if I have the inner shape 600 by 600, let's create it like this. So if I set this round corner of 300, it will be circle. If I create 200, it will be not circle. So if I create 300 or something bigger, it will be circle. Okay, so this one is obvious. The next one is not that difficult too, so I will create it being 800 by 800 and probably, I don't know, 60, maybe 80 round corners, so I can move this shape into that one, and I just have to add filling of this color, and I will make white of this color. So this is it, and I think it's pretty obvious that these shapes are just bigger and of different color, and you put one frame into another, and this is how this object is created. I hope you will create such things easily in the future. Good luck!